Hi guys, Emma here. Today I decided to do vlog because I was with my friend. I haven't been going out for 2 weeks. Literally, it's amazing, right? So I just want to have fun with my friends. Today is Saturday. Actually, our plan was going to a nice bar and just drinking and chatting after having nice dinner, but it's been raining here. I mean, it's not raining, it's been pouring on and off. So it's better to see each other at lunch. So I'm heading out. Before heading out, I just want to share my outfit. Yeah, so I'm kind of dressed up. This is sweatpants are once in my life. So I just want to put on some makeup and cute outfit. I expected today's gonna be hot and humid, but today's kind of not that too much hot, so I decided to wear this top. So this top is from H&M. Jar bralette and H&M short. Really basic and simple. And these earrings are also from H&M. And basic makeup. So basically I'm going to not Itaewon but near the area, Yongsan-gu. One of my friends booked their restaurant, so I'm excited to try that out. And she'll also introduce one of her Spanish friends, so I'm also excited to make new friends. So I'm kind of in a hurry because I need to go outside in 5 minutes. Actually, before filming, so many thoughts and words were going on in my head, what I want to say, those kind of stuff. But after making my camera on, I just feel like, oh, what should I tell? I'm in her room now, so I will bring you guys today, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Hi guys, you might be surprised. The vlog hasn't ended yet because I want to film more. I felt bad yesterday. Basically, I failed to vlog. I wanted to take you guys along with me because the area is quite good. There are a lot of like cool buildings and stuff, but it was raining. Freaking raining all day, so it's hard to film. So today is Sunday. I feel like I'm a funk. I look okay, but my eyes are so itchy right now. It's kind of an allergy reaction from the burrito I've got, because I rarely eat cheese because of that reason. Because sometimes my body reacts really weird way to that kind of dairy food. But I had them, the taste was good, but yeah, it was my cost. Actually, my friends, she invited her baby gender party, but I couldn't make that, so I felt kind of not really best, but try to be okay and cheerful. Usually when I wake up, I feel like 50% okay because I have my own threshold for positive thinking, but today's like it was 10, I think less than 10. I woke up like 3 a.m. and just my mind kept telling me like, oh, you're a failure. That kind of sentence it was keep repeating, and I was so disgusted about myself. So I woke up and listened to positive morning affirmations. I did yoga. I did journaling, so I felt better. And I was just literally lying on my bed for a while. It felt so bad and felt so shit. And the outside is like pouring. I knew myself that if I don't move my body, I feel more depressed and sadness gonna go viral. I'm sure of that. So I woke up, I put on my workout clothing, and I went to gym. Did a really like light walk on treadmill while watching some vlogs of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Gwen. I thought her personality is quite similar like me. So I'm pretty happy whenever she uploaded her like vlog. I love her vlog. I thought she's more famous about her ASMR channel, but I only watch her fashion, beauty, lifestyle, those kind of videos. I really liked her contents and personality. Yeah, so I feel better because I overcome my emotions. Does it make sense? I mean, I'm not always positive. I usually like 50-60% positive. More than 50%, I think that's enough. I'm pretty happy about that. But today's like really low. I feel like really funk and my eyes are still really itching. Yeah, so all my plan is I just wanna chill out. I wanna take a shower and change my clothing. And I usually take a shower at gym, but today I just wanna take a shower at home, like really slow and warm shower. I'm in a hurry when I take a shower in the gym because I don't know, just like really feel bothered by others. But it's more convenient to take a shower there, so but I want to just take a nice long shower and I want to treat myself with a good meal. But one good thing is I want to share, oh yeah, I'm gonna talk about the later because my thoughts are just here and there. So first I want to show you this, guys. I didn't expect they sent their product. I'm so happy about it. I got this package yesterday after coming back home, but I thought they like wrap it so pretty. I just don't want it to tear it yesterday. I just keep it like in a way that it was delivered to my house. I saw their effort to make somebody who get this package. I feel like really appreciated. They sent their precious product because they trust me, so I want to make a really genuine review soon, maybe next week on Wednesday. I'm so happy and I'm so excited about this one. It's a sunscreen. The Gwen's vlog, she like talk about affirmation because I'm a huge fan of affirmation. I listen to affirmation every single day, especially while having food, because that's the only time like I can sit down and listen carefully. She talk about Bob Baker's affirmation channel on Spotify, but Spotify doesn't work well sometimes in Korea, so I listen to some of his affirmations on YouTube. Oh, you are enough, you are awesome, you're amazing. I did some encouragement, doesn't make sense, and people don't give them. I want to give that by myself to myself. So if you are feel really funk and down, you can definitely check Bob Baker's affirmation. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm a human, I feel emotions, and this is I kind of stressed out about many things, but that's kind of normal, a human thing. I know everybody has their own struggle. I just don't want to compare who has more serious problem. That doesn't matter, but we have the same feeling. My eyes are itchy, the weather is not really great, my life is feel like sucks, I feel like I'm shit. I don't know, I'm not, but my ego shit happens. But I kind of overcome a little bit because I did some productive things and I did a lot of journaling, so I'm ready to take a warm nice shower and food, and I'm just gonna read many books to chill out. That's the way how I make myself calm. And when I'm this kind of like pampering day, I'd like to read books, and I try to not watch like social media and just try to focus on my world instead of focusing external world, because so many things are going on outside and I feel anxious and I feel really small. So try to read good books, materials to comfort myself and to make myself chill and peaceful and kind of motivated. I'm reading this book, but it's a business book and it's all about like motivation and kind of making money and profit, but I'm kind of sick of those kind of material today. I don't know, I was just like, oh, life is just like making money. What's the whole point? Those kind of like negative vibes going on. So I want to read kind of more spiritual and kind of give myself like cozy vibe, those kind of books. So that's all I want to share for my video. Anyway, if you're struggling like me, I feel you and you're not alone. And thanks for watching my video. Because one of my reason purpose of posting video is that I just want to use internet in a good way. I canceled all the plan for summer vacation because it's gonna be raining all the week. I heard news that on the bus while coming back home, a severe storm is coming up from Japan, so it's gonna be like total disaster. But what's the whole point? Try to enjoy my day. Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it up this vlog, and thanks for watching it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow me Instagram, and hit the notification button so we can hang out more. And I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful day. Not like me. I'm gonna be bad. Yeah, sometimes I'm kind of negative, positive, but I can be in the middle. So I'm gonna wrap this vlog, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Bye guys.